In this course, we're going to be cooking scrambled eggs. Go ahead and add our eggs into that. Now scrambled eggs you always want to stir. You don't want the heat too hot because they'll brown. But you want to kind of swirl them in a swirling motion. And you can go back and forth. Some people want them soft. If somebody wanted soft eggs, that would be right about here. If somebody wanted soft eggs, you see there's a little bit of moisture in them, but we're going to take these down to about where everybody else wants them. Give a little bit of flip there. Just want to keep all your stuff off of the edges there because that browns. Just give them a nice thing. Want them nice and fluffy. And always remember one thing. I would stop them right here where there's just a little bit of wetness because eggs will keep cooking as they go to the table.